We now have with us the energy of the event today. We have with us Mr. Kevin. We finally got hold of him. He was running around, but we got hold of him. So we're going to ask him, how was your experience, Kevin?
Truly amazing. Just so many great ideas and so many hardworking people wanting to figure out what the next big thing for them could be. Just very exciting to see, and I'm happy that we were actually able to come up with a top 25 pick out of all of the contestants because they were all very good.
Can you choose top three of your favorites?
You know, I don't know that I have a top three, but a few of them, there was one that was specifically around tourism that I thought was very strong, you know, already generating revenue and just kind of ready for the next level, and that's always exciting. A lot of times people come with an idea and they're just getting started out, and there were a couple of those as well. One of them around helping medical, and then there were actually two that were really good garment industry startups that I'm looking forward to seeing how they progress through the event.
Yeah, so we had a lot of startups from different domains like health and finance and technology and everything. So which was your favorite domain?
Well, you know, I'm always partial to food since that's my background, but I would say honestly for this one, it really was the garment because, you know, where they're getting the garments and how they're going to be developing the idea was truly amazing, and really speaks to helping their community in addition to generating revenue, which I think is really good.
Yeah, that is. You've conducted Startup Cup in Karachi as well, and you're doing this in Lahore. So, what do you see the difference in energy and the ideas? How would you differentiate the startups in Lahore?
In Lahore, it was a more of a blend of companies that have generated revenue and ones that were just working on their ideas. In Karachi, a lot of them had already been in business, and so it was really interesting here to see that, you know, there were students from schools, there were people that had just started generating their ideas, and all of them very exciting though.
Great. So you have to say something, a song lyric basically that can be used to motivate the startups.
A song lyric. Oh my gosh, that's really on the spot.
Yeah.
Gosh, that is really hard.
Could be anything.
Things can only get better, Howard Jones. And it's going to get great. It really is. This has been fun.
That's great. Can you say something for us in Urdu?
No, but I will the next time I come, and I'll say it very well because my Urdu is not ready for prime time, but thank you for asking.
Thank you so much, Kevin, for your time. It was lovely chatting with you.
Thank you.